Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Super Srinivas. Today's our topic is surface chemistry concept for MSET point of view. For MSET point of view, concepts and synopsis about introduction and problems involved in these chapters. There is some problems or some problems that is not at all important. Only theory part is most important in this chapter. Okay, let's go into the introduction. First, surface chemistry means it is a branch which deals with the study of phenomena occurring into the surface. Surface chemistry means only occurring into the surface. Surface chemistry, study of a phenomena of a surface or any interface separated in two bulk phases. Two bulky phases. Okay. Here, surface area means topmost layer up to 100 nanometers depth. Okay, here adsorption and the phenomena of sorption. What is sorption? What is sorption means the process of combining of adsorption, the mixing of or the combination of adsorption and absorption is called as sorption. And desorption means, what is desorption? What is desorption means the removing of adsorption substances. Removing an adsorbed substance from a surface on which it is adsorbed is called as desorption. Here sorption means the combining effect or the mixing of adsorption and absorption is called as adsorption, and absorption is called as sorption, and removing means desorption. D means only removing. Okay, here adsorption. What is mean by adsorption? Definition of adsorption and what is mean by adsorption. The definition of adsorption is the phenomena of attracting or retaining the molecules. The molecules are attracting or retaining molecules of a substance on the surface of a liquid or water or any solid retains in the higher concentration to the lower concentration of a molecules on the surface is called as adsorption. Accumulation means mixing, accumulating. Here adsorbate, these has the two types, adsorbate and adsorbent. what is meant by adsorbate and adsorbent? The molecule species concentrating or accumulating is called as adsorbate. Here gases, liquid and solid or act as adsorbate, but adsorbent means only solids and solids or liquids, but not gases here. Okay, this is the, here we have the example of adsorbent. What is the example? Chloride, activated charcoals adsorbed gases, chlorides and sulfides, carbonides, noble gases. Okay, the etc. are the examples. Okay. Next, what is that? Ni or platinum adsorbs on H2 gases head through hydrogenation of oils. Next, animal charcoal here. Animal charcoal adsorb acetic acid molecules. Okay, acetic acid molecules. Next, like gases, O2, H2, CO, chloride, ammonia or SO4, SO2 are taken in the vessel. Powdered charcoal, the pressure of a gas decreases. Pressure decreases due to adsorption of gas. Okay, these next, what is example? The process activation means the process of removal of impurities from the surface of adsorbent. The removing impurities from the adsorbent is called as activation. What is activation? You remember just in the words removing of impurities on the surface of adsorbent. Okay. Adsorption is a affecting of a surface. Adsorption is pure. Surface adsorption is pure in solutions of an area or organic methylene means blue color. Animal charcoal is added into that and shake well as it is turned because that is dyed or adsorbed from the surface of charcoal. Here one example of activation. Example means, what is the example? Charcoal is activated. Charcoal is activated by heating at 300 degrees to 1000 degrees in a vacuum or gas. Okay, adsorption means what is adsorption means? The adsorption is a bulky substances, gas and uniformly absorption definition is the bulky phenomena of a gas or liquid of a uniformly in solids and liquids. Example, absorption means the particle water is absorbing water adsorbed on earth. Okay, example is chalk piece. Piece of chalk is dipped in ink, then chalk adsorbs ink and sponge. Next example is sponge in water adsorbs water. Sponge adsorbs water. Okay. Yeah guys, this is that question time. I will ask 3 questions. You will comment that question. Among these topic only I will ask 3 questions. You answer in the comment section. Okay. First question is first question is concept based question only. First question, adsorption is a phenomena in which a substance, first option, accumulates. Here options also, multiple options. Accumulation on the substance of a other substance and goes into the body of the other substance. Second option. Third option is remains close to the other substance. And fourth option is oxidize or reducing the other substance. Okay. Another second question, adsorption is always, first option is endothermic and second option is exothermic and third option is accompanies with increases in the entropy and fourth option is accommodates with the increasing of enthalpy. Okay. Next question, during adsorption T delta S is positive, or second one, delta H minus T delta S is negative, or option 3, delta H is positive and T delta S and delta G becomes 0. This is the last, third one is you learned in the IP point of view. Okay, answer 3 questions and answer in comment section. Don't forget to answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Super Srinivas.